Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we're going to show you how to make this drawing machine.
Actually, it's an ART-ificial intelligence machine.
So the supplies we're using today are 2 pieces of corrugated plastic. Our pieces are 18 inches long and about 1.5 inches wide. We'll also use brass fasteners. We've got 8 of them, and then we've got a marker that we're going to use as well.
Cool. We'll also need some cardboard. We're using a pizza box here, and you'll need some tape. One more thing. You'll need a ruler. Okay. Take one of those strips of plastic, and what we need to do is we need to cut off 5 inches off of each one of those pieces. So we'll have 2 5-inch sections, leaving us with 2 13-inch sections. So go ahead, measure out 5 inches on each of those pieces.
So next we're going to take those 2 larger pieces that we just cut, and we're going to find the center. So measure 6.5 inches in to the center of the piece. Use a pen or a pencil or something like that to help you poke a hole right in the center to get it started. And we're going to attach our 2 pieces with one of our brass fasteners. So once that's done, your 2 pieces should look like this.
Next, we need to attach one brass fastener to these 2 pieces right here. Right there, so you can see it. Right there.
So now with the 2 pieces that we've just made, you're going to attach the smaller piece to the top of that X using 2 more brass fasteners right in these spots.
One thing that we found was that you may want to place one of these, the small tabs here that we just made, under the X, the larger X we made, and one over. It kind of almost like weaving it. It helps to keep the marker down onto the work surface.
So now we've got basically the base of our drawing machine.
Or the artificial intelligence machine.
The next step is to use the cardboard to create sort of a base to attach it to, and also to make some controls. We also need to make a part on the front here that will hold our marker.
For the artificial intelligence machine.
So for these next few steps, you're going to be using your cardboard to create a base, 2 circles that you're going to attach the drawing machine to, and then a little piece of cardboard here on the top to attach the marker to.
Okay, now with our 2 circles, we need to secure them to each one of these legs of the X that we made. And we don't want to secure them right in the center. We want to have them off center. Kind of like right here. Okay. So as it rotates, it makes a motion that is around the circle and not in the center of the circle.
Now with the cardboard circles attached to the drawing machine, you're going to spread these 2 pieces as far apart as you can, and we're going to attach these circles to the cardboard base that we've cut out. If these circles are too large and you can't separate them fully, go ahead and trim them down until you find the right size. And we're going to attach it on, putting the brass fasteners right in the middle of the cardboard circles.
So once you've attached it, you could give it a try. You don't need to put the marker in to see if it's moving all on its own. It's like it's got a mind of its own. Artificial intelligence.
And if your brass fasteners are a little loose or they're having trouble staying in the cardboard, just go ahead and put a piece of tape on the back to help hold them in place. Our last step is to attach the marker to the front of our drawing machine. We're going to do that with a long, skinny piece of cardboard, and we'll fold it up and make sort of a triangle shape out of it, tape our marker to that, and then attach everything right to the front.
Now that we've got our triangle, we need to secure it to the kind of tip of the machine. You can tape it, or you can also use that fastener that's in there. The one thing, if you're taping it, and that's what I'm doing, is you just got to tape it to only one of those arms, because it is going to both arms move, you can only tape it to one of them. Okay. The final step is to install the marker, the writing implement. We were all just watching. So to install your marker, just tape it onto the front of one of those triangle pieces, like this, just off to the side. Now, get a big piece of paper. Take the caps off and start to rotate your dials on your control pad. See what fun designs you can make. Or play Rock'em Sock'em Robots.
I'm done. I'm done with this. It's fine.
Done.
Right?